Laura Banford, and I'm going to show you how to make shrimp 2 ways. Today we're going to make 2 delicious recipes using shrimp, and I'd like to talk a little bit about shrimp. Shrimp are shellfish, obviously, and they come from all over the world. The best shrimp is wild shrimp, although shrimp are farmed in many, many countries. Much of the shrimp coming into the United States today are from China and Thailand. It's my personal preference not to use shrimp from China because there's not a lot of regulation about how they're farmed, and they will always be farmed shrimp from China. Shrimp also come from Vietnam. If you can get wild Vietnamese shrimp, that's great. I prefer American shrimp. They're the best. Wild American shrimp are definitely the best. Today we're going to use Key West pink shrimp. You see? This is a beautiful, beautiful Key West shrimp. It's a wild shrimp, and this is a U15, which means you get under 15 shrimp per pound. So that is what considered a jumbo to colossal shrimp. The way you buy shrimp is by size. They come as small as U50s, which means you get 50 shrimp a pound, or even U100s, and those are tiny, tiny shrimp that would be used in salads. Most commonly, cooks will use the U25s, meaning you get 21 to 25 shrimp per pound. But like I said, this is an even bigger one, and it's meaty and juicy. And I usually buy them with the shell on, so I shell and devein them myself, so I can control how they're cut and processed and that kind of thing. And I'm going to show you that a little bit later. Okay, join me in the next clip when I describe the recipes we're going to be doing today.